In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jira to Salesforce. We'll walk through installing the official connector from the Atlassian Marketplace and starting a free trial so you can link issues in Jira with records in Salesforce. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in with Jira admin permissions. If you manage multiple Jira sites, double-check you're working in the right one, ideally a sandbox first. Start on your Jira homepage. From the top navigation, open the Apps menu. This is where Jira Cloud surfaces add-ons and integrations. Choose Explore More Apps to open the Atlassian Marketplace in your Jira context. The Marketplace view may load in a new panel or page, and it's tied to the site you're currently using. In the Marketplace search bar, type Salesforce. You'll see a list of Salesforce-related integrations. Look for Connector for Salesforce and Jira. This is a widely used integration that lets teams sync issues, comments, and fields between the two systems. Click into that listing to open the app details page. On the app page, you'll see a pricing section. Select the option that shows USD 0 per month to focus on the trial experience. This is helpful for validating compatibility, performance, and feature fit before you commit. Now take a moment to review the tabs provided by the publisher. Start with the Overview tab. Here you'll find a summary of key capabilities, supported Jira and Salesforce editions, and any setup notes. Scan this information to make sure it meets your use case, like syncing specific objects or handling comments and attachments. Switch to the Reviews tab. Skimming recent reviews gives you a sense of how the app behaves at scale, how responsive support is, and any common configuration questions other admins encounter. It's a quick way to set expectations about reliability and learning curve. Next, open the Privacy and Security tab. This section outlines what data the app can access, how it's stored, and compliance certifications. Pay attention to data residency notes and encryption details, especially if you operate in a regulated environment. If you have a security review process, this page is a solid starting point. Move to the Support tab to see documentation links, support hours, and contact channels. Knowing where to get help will save time later when you're mapping fields or troubleshooting user permissions. When you're comfortable with what you've read, click Try it free. Jira will display a confirmation panel that indicates the Marketplace app will be installed as a trial on your selected Atlassian application. Verify the site name shown here is correct so you don't install the trial on the wrong instance. Proceed by clicking Review. You'll be shown the app's requested permissions. Click Permissions to expand the details and confirm the scopes make sense for the features you expect, such as reading and writing Jira issues needed for synchronizing with Salesforce. Next, open Data Management. This section explains how the app handles import and export, retention, and data flow. It's useful context for audit purposes and for planning your integration rollout. After you've read those details, click back to return to the confirmation screen. Now click Start Free Trial. Jira will install the connector on your site and activate the trial period. Installation typically takes a short moment, and you'll see a confirmation once it's complete. From here, the connector setup pages will guide you through connecting to your Salesforce org and configuring sync rules. Those configuration steps vary by team, so for now, you've successfully added the app, reviewed its information, and started the trial. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you work in a large organization, let stakeholders know the trial is live so they can test mappings and workflows. If you manage change control, schedule your production install during a maintenance window after validating in a sandbox. And keep an eye on the trial timeline so you can evaluate, renew, or remove the app before the period ends. That's it. You've installed the connector for Salesforce and Jira from the Atlassian Marketplace, reviewed its details, and launched a free trial, setting the stage for a smooth integration between your Jira projects and Salesforce records.